Hello guys, this is Suresh and I am going to teach you the ADBMS practical name replication. So therefore the replication means first of all we have to create the two databases, and after creating the each database you have to name it. For an example, like name MSc1 to database 1 and MSc2 to database 2. So therefore after the database creation, now it's time to open the SQL Plus and it will prompt you for the username and password. So therefore username you can say system and the password is manager. Now it's time to connect to the database one. So therefore to connect it we have to use the command like connect system, which is the username, and slash manager, which is the password, at the rate, and msc1 is the database name. So therefore after that you have to create a table inside it. So therefore I am creating a table name list. Inside it I am giving the id and name. So therefore now it's time to connect to database 2. So therefore to connect to the database to use the same following as you use for the database one. So therefore connect system slash manager at the rate and msc2, because it's a database 2 and the name of the database is msc2. Now create a table list same inside the database 2 and do the following same as it is as you did in the database one. Primary key name varchar and the space should be 20. Now it's time to create a link, so therefore which will link us to MSc2 database 2. So therefore now we are first of all we have to connect to the database 1, and after that we have to create a link which will connect us to the database 2. So therefore for that we have to use like create database link. Link 6 is a link name and connect to system, which is a username, and identified by password, which is manager, and then using single quotes MSc2 colon semicolon enter. So therefore database link is created. Now it's time to create trigger for inserting data. So therefore create or replace trigger, and we have to give the trigger name. So therefore I am giving, for example, like bike, enter. After insert on table name, the table name is like list, okay, enter. For each row begin. So therefore this is a trigger which is used to insert the data and insert into. We have to give the table name list and at the rate link name, which is the link 6, and we have to put the values. So therefore write values and give the new dot id comma colon new dot name. So therefore now close the brackets, semicolon, now end semicolon and slash, and press enter. Now the trigger is created, you can see it is successfully created. After this we have to insert the values inside our table. So therefore the table name is list, as we know. So therefore I am inserting the id and the name as Vidya. So therefore now we have to check whether it is inserted properly in the database one. So therefore for that we need to use a command like select star from table name, and please never forget to put a semicolon at last. So therefore now it's time to check to the database to whether it is inserted properly or not. So therefore select star from list, which is a table name, and at the rate link name, which will take us to the database 2. So therefore now it is create or replace trigger, which is used to update. So therefore create or replace trigger, and trigger name we gave as bike 1. So therefore after that update, after update on list, which is a table name, for each row enter begin, and then update table name list at the rate link 6, enter. Set, no, actually it is wrong, right? Set id is equals to colon new dot id, where id is equals to old dot wait, where id is equals to colon old dot id. So therefore whenever we are using like a new or old name, so therefore never forget to put a colon before. So therefore after update list at the rate link 6, now it's time to change the name. So therefore set name is equals to new dot name, where name is equals to old dot name. Now it's done, semicolon, enter, and now end call. Okay, now it is trigger created for the update. So therefore now update table name, enter. Now we have to get set id is equals to true, where id is equals to 1 semicolon. Now the rows are updated, so therefore now we have to change the name for update list. Set name is equal to, I'm gonna give fatty, where name is equals to Vidya. So now it's done, the table is updated. So therefore now select star from table name. So therefore it will give as a table. So therefore after that we have to check whether it is updated properly in the database too. So therefore list at the rate, and we have to give the link name 6. Okay, link 6 semicolon, enter. So therefore now it's the last trigger. We have to create or replace for deleting the data. So therefore create or replace trigger bike 2, which is a trigger name. Delete after delete from on list, enter, for each row, and now enter. Begin, enter. Delete from table name, which is list, and at the rate link 6, enter. Now suppose any of the if we face any of the errors in this, in the typing, so therefore we can change it, like we have to use the command ed. For example, I will show you, like now it got a small error, so therefore now put the slash and end it and use ed, and inside we can edit it. So therefore I am removing that and putting the semicolon and slash, enter. Put the slash, enter. Okay, now it is done. And after that we have to put a command for that, delete from list, which is a table name, and then where id is equals to 2. So therefore you can see that one row is deleted. So therefore now to check whether it is deleted properly from the database too, select star from table name list at the rate link 6. So therefore select list at the rate link 6, you can see. Okay, semicolon, put, enter. No rows selected. Okay, it means that it is successfully deleted from the database too. So therefore this is done with the replications. Thank you and bye for now.